One bike rider takes 40 minutes to complete a race course and another takes 1 hour and 40 minutes to complete the same course. If they start together, when will they be side by side at the start line again? Okay, so we need to find the lowest common multiple, LCM, of 40 minutes and 1 hour and 40 minutes. So using prime factors, so the first prime number that goes into 40 is 2. Now you guys could do this repeated division or use factor trees. I like to use repeated division. So 2's into 40 goes 20. Next prime number is 2 goes into 20, get 10. 2's into 10, get 5. 2 doesn't go in, 3 doesn't go in, and therefore 5 goes in, and you're left with 1. So 40 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. And for 1 hour, 40 minutes, we need to change that all into minutes. So it's 60 plus 40, so it's 100 minutes. So 100 minutes, 2 goes into 100 minutes 50 times. 2 goes into 50, 25. 2 no longer goes in, 3 no longer goes in, but 5 goes in. And also 5 goes into 5 one time. And therefore 100 is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. It's good to line them up and leave spaces. Okay, so to find the LCM, you look for the common ones, which are 2, 2, and 5, and then you take what's left, which is a extra 2 times 5. Multiplying that out, you're going to get 200 minutes. So they will be back together 3 hours and 20 minutes later. See how many times 60 goes into that, and look for the remainder for the number of minutes. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the lowest common multiple. I hope you've understood in a practical situation, and I thank you very much for watching.